Okay, so here we'll do a quick key so you can check your work here. Here's tin, oxygen, hydrogen, one, two, two, one, one, two. All right, so I want to double my oxygen. So I'm going to do that. And then that gives me 4 hydrogens. So I'm going to double that. So now I have 4 hydrogens over here. Right, 2 times 2 is 4. And then I have the 110. So that looks like that is my final answer. Let me do a quick count. 1, 1, 2, right, 2, 2, 4, 4. Yep, so 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, now the next one. We've got, oh, let me get that buzzer. All right, so let's see, chlorine, sodium, and bromine. And I've got 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So I've got to double my bromine. So put a 2 here. That doubles my sodium. And then I've got to double my chlorine over here. So I'll put a 2 here. And now we'll do a quick check. 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine, so check. 2 sodium, 2 sodium. Oh, that's right, I've got 2 over here. So that's good, because that doubled that too. And 2 bromine, 2 sodium, 2 bromine, and 2 bromine. So check. So that would be 1, 2, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay, 13. I've got potassium. I'm going to keep this nitrate all as 1. And then I've got hydrogen and carbonate all as 1. So let's count 1, 1, 2 hydrogens, and 1 carbonate. 2 potassiums, 1 carbonate, 1 hydrogen, and 1 nitrogen. So what do I have to double? I got to double my potassiums. So I'll put a 2 there. That doubles my nitrates. All right, that means I have to double my nitrates over here. So I'll put a 2 here. And then that doubles my hydrogens as well. All right, and that looks balanced. Let me do a check. 2 potassium, check. 2 nitrate, 2 nitrate, check. Hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, check. 1 carbonate and 1 carbonate, so check. So this coefficient's 1 and this is 1. So 2, 1, 1, 2. All right, number 14. Bromine. Oh, boron and bromine. And then hydrogen. And my nitrate, I'm going to keep all as 1 thing. Now I'll count, let's see, 6 bromines, 2 borons, 1 hydrogen, and 1 nitrogen. And 1 boron, right? This 3 is only for here, so I've got 3 nitrates, and 1 hydrogen, and 1 bromine. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and I've got 3 nitrates here, so I need 3 nitrates over here. So I'll make that a 3. So now I have 3 nitrates, but that tripled my hydrogens. So There we go. And now well, I guess I could do my bromines. I need to have 6 bromines over here. So the only way to do that is put a 6 in front. So I got 6 bromines. Now I have 6 hydrogens. All right. So that means I'm going to need 6 hydrogens over here, right? So I'm going to, if I have 6 hydrogens over here, then this would have to be a 6. So let me erase that 3 and make that a 6. So I have 6 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens. But that means I have 6 nitrates, right? So I'm going to cross this out. I have 6 nitrates here. So I need to have 6 nitrates over here. So 6 times, or 2 times 3, right? 2 times 3, this outside 3 would give me the 6. So now I have 6 nitrates over here. My borons, I've got 2 here. Oh, good. And now I have, when I doubled my nitrates, I also doubled my borons. So that works out good. All right. So the coefficients would be 1, 6, 2, 6. Now let me do a quick check. So 2 borons, so check. 6 bromines and 6 bromines, so check. 6 hydrogens and 6 hydrogens, so check for the hydrogens. 6 nitrates, remember this is all, I'm not doing 6 times 3, the whole thing is a nitrate, so I've got 6 nitrates, and 2 times 3, I've got 6 nitrates, so my nitrates are balanced as well. So that is done. So it's just like a puzzle. You just look at what you're given and just kind of keep working back and forth till you get it balanced. So here we go. Boron, fluorine, lithium, and my sulfate. All right. So 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 lithium and 1 fluorine. All right, so I'm going to triple my sulfates, so I'll put a 3 here. Then that tripled my lithiums, so 3 times 2 is 6. So I want to have 6 lithiums over here, so I'll put a 6 there. And that means I have 6 fluorines, so I want to have 6 here. Or say I do have 6, so 6 times 6 of those, that means I want 6 over here. 3 times 2 is 6, right? So that would be my 6 fluorines. And then also that doubled my borons, so that works out perfectly. It's so nice when that happens. Now let's do a quick check. I like these Laker colors. Here we go. 2 borons and 2 borons, so check. And then 6, right? 2 times 3 is 6 fluorines and 6 fluorines, so check. 3 times 2, 6 lithiums and 6 lithiums, check. 3, and this is all one thing, not 3 times 3, there's 1. So I've got 3 sulfates, and then here I've got, if I put a 1 there, 1 times 3, I've got, this means I have 3, that's on the outside, 3 of these. So the sulfates are balanced. So everything's balanced. It's 2, 3, 1, 6. All right, 16. Copper, sulfide, and oxygen. Good. This seems really easy. Sometimes you do the hard ones and it makes the other ones seem really easy. all I have to do is change my copper over here. So I have 2 coppers, right? And I think that's balanced. Let me check. That seems too good to be true. All right, go back to the green. So let's see. I've got 2 coppers, check. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur, check. 2 oxygens, check. So that's 1, 1, 2, 1. Good. So now I've got a silver, a nitrate, sodium, and chlorine. So 1, 1, 1, 1. One of each. Okay, remember all this, that 3 just makes that a nitrate. So, and then I've got 1, 1, 1, 1. That's already balanced, right? So it'd just be 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, it was already balanced. You don't have to have the coefficient if it's just a 1, just like in algebra. All right, so now I've got barium, chlorine, sodium, and a sulfate. All right, so let's count 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So all I have to do is I gotta have 2 chlorines over here, so I'm gonna put a 2 in front, and that doubled also the sodium, right? So now there's that, and now it's balanced. So my final, I didn't have to do anything there, so that would be 1, 1, 1, 2. All right, 19. Let's put the elements down. There's my chlorate, ClO3. Oh, but I don't want to do that because I don't have those on the other side. So let's split it up. Right, this is decomposition. So we'll do them all separately. And I have 1, 1, 3. Oh, oops. Over here, I actually had 2. Right, and 1, 1, 2. All right, so least common multiple is 6. So I'm going for 6 here. So 3 times 2 is 6. To get a 6 over here, 2 times 3. All right, and then when I did that, that doubled this, and that doubled my chlorines. All right, so I'll put a 2 in front, and then that will double them over here. All right, I'll do a quick check. 2 potassium, 2 potassium. 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. All right, so that is finished. So my final answer, 2, 2, 3. All right, and we are done with that. Okay, good job. We have another sheet of practicing and doing the identifying. All right, the easier ones are easy, but it takes practice to be able to do a tricky one. So there's another sheet for practice.